In this video, you will see how to extract accounting job listings from foundit.com.ph quickly and easily using Minexa.ai, whoever you are. Here I am, on the page where the job listings are already loaded. Minexa takes it from here. Then, open Minexa from the toolbar with one single click. With Minexa open, hit I'm on the right page. Automatic page detection begins instantly. Done already. Content block detected. Pagination locked in. List only, or enable detail pages so Minexa opens each job's detail page for more information. Most setups only need continue advanced if clicking or filling something is needed before the list loads. Minexa identified and highlighted the right job listings section. Click Create Scraper, and it learns the page quickly. Minexa found every piece of data automatically, including job titles, companies, locations, and posted dates. No guessing, no wrong values. If you are a developer, click API request and copy the code. Batch up to 50,000 URLs in one request. Confirm everything by hitting Complete Configuration and move on. The pagination button is already there, detected automatically. Change it if needed or continue as is. Last thing, set a schedule here or connect Google Sheets. Then click Complete Setup. Hit Run. Extraction starts immediately and automatically. Once complete, you see all extracted job listings with details like job title, company name, location, and posting date, organized clearly. You can run this anytime to get fresh data without retraining the scraper, as long as the page structure stays the same. Hit Export. Open it in Excel, and every field is already in its own column. The data you need is already on the web. Minexa gets it out simply and accurately, for anyone and without paying per token for developers working at scale.